Hello children! Today we are going to learn the letter F. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter F. F for fox. F for flag. F for flower. F for frog. F for fish. This is the letter F. Reading fun. Now let's read a short story together. Fox and frog are playing in the flower garden near a flag, while a fish is swimming in the water. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. A frog also lives in water and land. T. Listen to the letter FF by watching video. E. Take a vase and decorate with flowers. A. Draw Pakistani flag and color it. M. Count objects beginning with the sound FF around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. F-I-N, fin. F-O-X, fox. F-A-N, fan. Well done, children. Goodbye.